We're moving on now and shifting our focus to Karnataka, where the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Siddaramaiah, was caught on camera losing his cool and threatening a senior police officer. A hand gesture by the Chief Minister of Karnataka that indicates that he was threatening the officer with a thappad. Let's first take a look at what transpired. Imran is joining us on the broadcast. Imran, well, this video is self-explanatory. The police officer approaches the Chief Minister to say something. The Chief Minister raises his hand. He takes a step back. What was the Chief Minister trying to do?
Well, the Chief Minister was visibly upset over the fact that, Congress's rally today, where all the senior leadership of the Congress was there, including the state in charge, AICC, Surjewala was there. Some of the BJP workers had sneaked into during his speech and tried to disturb it, showing it black flags. This got really riled up the Chief Minister, where additional SP was called on stage, and Chief Minister, loses his cool there, and the visuals are self-explanatory that how he tries to, he raised his hand and the additional SP stopped midway, so that he doesn't slap him. And over this issue, now the BJP has targeted the Chief Minister over this, saying that the Chief Minister, who gave a statement in favor of Pakistan, now losing his cool against their own officials. Now they have tweeted that has given a bite over this, and also they are targeting the Chief Minister over this particular incident, demanding apologies to the Chief Minister for raising his hand against a serving officer. In fact, after this event happened, the BJP workers were taken into custody, where Congress workers get out the police van, and where the cops had a hard time taking the BJP workers to a safe custody and to a safe location. This whole entire transfer today in Belgavi, where the Congress had called for a huge protest against price rise hike and against against what they allege is attempts by BJP to change the constitution.
Absolutely. Imran, stay on with us. Let's also listen to how the Bharatiya Janata Party is responding to this. BJP has slammed Siddaramaiah and has called this an insult to Khaki.
सेना का अपमान, वर्दी का अपमान, यही कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान। सिद्धरमैया जी भरे सार्वजनिक मंच पर एक पुलिस अफसर पर हाथ उठाते हैं, ऑलमोस्ट उसको थप्पड़ मारते हैं। वो तो कैमरा सामने था तो रुक गए, परंतु कैमरा न होता तो क्या करते? एक वरिष्ठ पुलिस अधिकारी पर, और चाहे वो वरिष्ठ हो या ना हो, एक वर्दी पहनने वाले पर हाथ उठाएंगे? और ये कांग्रेस की कार्य संस्कृति, मानसिकता बन चुकी है। ये कांग्रेस का डीएनए बन चुका है। वर्दी का अपमान यही कांग्रेस की पहचान बन चुकी है। इससे पहले कांग्रेस के अन्य नेताओं ने भी वर्दी के ऊपर हाथ डाला है, कॉलर पकड़ा है अफसरों का। हमने देखा है कि किस प्रकार से सिद्धरमैया जी ने अन्य लोगों को भी धमकियां दी है भरे मंच पर, कैसे कार्यकर्ताओं को मिसट्रीट किया है, मीडिया को मिसट्रीट किया है, यहां तक कि फीते बंधवाए हैं कार्यकर्ताओं से और तिरंगे का भी अपमान किया है। क्या कार्रवाई की जाएगी सिद्धरमैया जी पर क्या कार्रवाई करेंगे?
Imran continues to be with us. Imran, BJP is demanding an action against the Chief Minister. Imran, if you could hear me, we just played out a reaction of Shahzad Poonawalla of the BJP. Okay, I'm being told that we've lost that line with Imran. We'll try and connect with him. Meanwhile, let's focus on the video for a little bit. So the senior police officer on stage approaches the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Siddaramaiah, and perhaps he approaches him to maybe share some information. That's when the Chief Minister raises his hand. The officer steps back. It's very clear what the Chief Minister was doing. We have Mr. Ashok Gowda of the BJP joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Ashok Gowda, the video is evident. It's clear that the Chief Minister raises his hand, the officer steps back. What was that? What do you think?
Basically, Siddaramaiah was trying to insult the police officer in this incident. In the past also, we have seen in several occasions when Siddaramaiah was an opposition leader, he said, I will strip you of the trust. In Coorg, he said that to a police SP. In one of the programs, when he was a sitting CM, I think few months back, for a sitting IAS officer, that to DC, he said, how dare you sit on the dais, please go away from here. So this Siddaramaiah's attitude is, we have seen it on the, not just police officials, even on the senior bureaucrats also. This is Siddaramaya's attitude has now penetrated to all the Congress Karyakartas. We have seen that Sangamesh, Bhadravati's MLA, son, he was insulting a mining officer, lady mining officer, that too of a KS grade officer. Not just these two incidents, several incidents have happened across the state where bureaucrats, police officers and other people have been constantly insulted. Please remember, 12 officials have committed suicide in Karnataka since this 24 months, since this government has come to power. In the same Belagavi where the incident happened, Lakshmi Hebalkar's PS was named harassing the DC office's staff. Several occasions we have listed it out and said that bureaucrats are not safe under Siddaramaya's government. As well, you name it, the people are committing suicide. Siddaramaya does not bother. Official is another part, that's all. His life does not matter. Only congressmen's life matter to Congress party.
All right, Mr. Ashok Gowda, thank you very much for joining us in the broadcast with your views. Let's also listen into what Shobha Karandalaje had to say.
कर्नाटक का सीएम आज बेलगाम का एक कांग्रेस का कार्यक्रम में उधर का पुलिस ऑफिसर एएसपी को थप्पड़ मारने को कोशिश किया। उसको मैं निंदा करती हूं। एक यूनिफॉर्म पहने हुए ऑफिसर को सार्वजनिक जगह में ऐसे करने से क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं मुख्यमंत्री ने? आज बेलगाम में महिला मोर्चा, बीजेपी महिला मोर्चा.
And with that, we're slipping into another short break. There's a lot more lined up on the other side as well. Stay on with us.